some most important concepts here. That is automotive engine control features, then Spark advanced control systems, and here some control systems and some data processing in order to get the data to be pre-processing and or something unwanted components been available that is not relevant to that features. So we'll design in such a way that doesn't contain any unwanted. So for that we'll go with the data processing for tracking and navigation outcome, and we are going to deal with some programmings to make that to be more smart and within self-build and self-control. And we have some digital models. Okay, so here we are going to deal with engine control systems and control system. And after that, we'll embed it with some networking concept inside to make the vehicle motion control. So here some bus system that to classification, that is LAN, WAN, CAN, selected. We'll see, and we'll go with some diagnose interface like FlexWise and all. And we go with the typical cruise control systems to make the adaptive for the vehicle. After that, we'll go with the last, that is the outcome of the respective the vehicle, which is embedded with some automotive concept plus electronic concept inside to form the electronic system future. So here we'll go with timing light and the engine analyzer and fuel engineer, and we are going to see more focus on hybrid electric vehicles. It has been embedded with more focus on electronics and automobile inside, and we'll focus with the navigation. So after that, we'll come to know some of the COs are being interconnected with the same. So see, if we try to focus here, this is navigation and the hybrid vehicle systems and automotive fuel engine is being tracking with SIM digital engine control systems, and here the CO5 and CO3 is being linked. Okay, and if you try to focus here, the goose control and the CO4 is being linked to the sensors here. Okay, where it has been touched with again automotive sensors, and some of the control features related to the engine control has been touched with the navigator. This again is falls with CO5, and some of the CO1 to CO4 is being embedded with some diagnose interface. Okay, so this all diagnose interface has been again touched with the CO5 here. Okay, the step by step is been implemented to form the final outcome, that is automotive electronics. So every CO is plays important role too. Okay, so this is a concept map which have been framed to showcase the in-depth knowledge about all the 5 units where I've been overview. Okay, so this is related to course outcome, and coming into the automotive electronics, the syllabus. Okay, exact syllabus is being framed by VTU. So this is the respective syllabus which they have framed. Okay, see here as I go tell about this contains 5 modules. Okay, each model having the multiple sub units inside. Okay, so now if I try to see here, see the first is course the exact, it contains 40 hours. Okay, that is 8 hours per module. Okay, so per week the lectures will get at least 3, and CIE marks is 40, and SCE marks is 60, and examination duration is 3, and the credits I'm going to see as 40. That's why it's been framed with 40 marks here. So means 8 into 5 is, I think, 40 marks. Okay, means each model had to frame with 8 hours here. Okay, fine. So that is the module 1 contains the evaluation of model electronics and some major automotive systems like engine block, cylinder head, 4-stroke engine, and ignition system, spark plug, then ignition time, diesel diesel engine, and the spark plug generations, and some start batteries and operation principles, and suspension, brakes, and steerings. We are going to see in automotive, and the prescribed book for this, which the video has been framed, that is reference one and reference 2 books and 1 textbooks, and is being preferred with Williams B. Robbins. Okay, see what all the flow has been shown in the textbook, that is been printed by Bosch. Okay, the overview of automotive electronics. But text one, with respect to chapter one, chapter 5, chapter 8, chapter 7, and chapter 11 is being diagnosed with related with understanding automotive electronics and engineering perspectives by William V. Ribbins. Okay, so uh, it's been available in concern libraries, and so please follow up the book concerned to the textbook which have been framed by video. Okay. In after completion of this one, we come to know the fundamentals overview, and we'll go with basic electronics engine control. Here we'll go with some emissions and engine control and fuel economy, concept of electronic engines, and definition of general terms, and engine mapping, some effect of air fuel ratio and sparking time, and electronic fuel control systems, GGR, or main foot pressures, and electronic situations here. So all been going to be see and know the knowledge about the engine control using electronics here. And see, this model one contains two subpart. One is fundamentals overview, and the basic of electronic engine control. And in module two, so as I told, it tells about automotive sensor. Okay, in automotive sensor, see. So here we are going to deal with automotive control, system application of sensor, that is nothing actuators, and actuators variable to be measured, and airflow weight sensors, strain gauge,